Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, we are going to show you on how you can create shadow effect in Figma. So to get it started, the first thing that you want to do is to simply go ahead and insert your image. In my case, I want my image to be a rectangle or a square. And from there, we can just go ahead and import our image. Right after that, to go ahead and add the shadow effect, you can just go ahead and click on a specific element or an image, and from there you then want to click on effects. It will then show you this drop shadow. Now this is the key. You can just go ahead and customize the values of the effect the way you want to, but as you can see right now, we already have a subtle shadow effect on our image. So if we want to go ahead and make this more visible, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. And from there, as you can see, we now have a shadow effect on our image. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.